My name is Victor. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to talk to you about 3 reasons why I sold my minivan and got this conversion van. So nowadays, many families choose to buy a minivan. I think it's a great choice. I totally agree with. And we bought a minivan too 3 years ago. But earlier this year, we decided to sell our minivan and I got this baby here, this conversion van. So I'm going to talk to you 3 reasons why we got rid of the minivan and bought this conversion van. Okay, hold on. What is a conversion van? Many people may never heard about this before. So conversion van is when people buy an ordinary passenger vans or work van, they take to a shop and then convert it to a special purpose, such as for road trips or camping. So this is a 2017 Chevrolet Express 2500 Explorer conversion van. And the Explorer is an independent van conversion company for doing this job for more than 50 years. Okay, so before we talk more details why I sold the minivan, I want to share some background before we bought this van. So 3 years ago we bought a minivan. It was a 2016 Honda Odyssey, and we loved that minivan, and there was nothing wrong with it. But after 2 years usage, we realized there might be some areas or features can be improved. And then earlier this year, March 2021, a lot of people are getting vaccinated, a lot of businesses are opening, the economy is recovering, and then my wife and I decided to take some time off and take the kids to see the world, because they have been staying at home pretty much for more than 1 year since the pandemic started. So one day I saw a conversion van like this parking on the street. I got inspired. So when I went back to home, I started doing some research with my wife and to learn about this van, and we found some dealerships in the town, and then we tested drive, and finally we found a good deal online, and then we paid for it, and then we traded in the minivan too. So that's how we got here. Okay, so reason number 1, more space. This conversion van can provide more space that you need. Look at this ultra wide legroom space. This is a 65-inch. It provides you much more room than the minivan. So especially when you have you use this van for daily use, or have a long road trips, or even for family visit on the weekend, it's really comfortable to have this space here. Okay, so this huge legroom space that we just talked about can make a huge difference, because I had a 2 years old 2 boys under 2 years, so the car seat is always has to be rear facing. So in the minivan, a lot of times I have to push this front passenger seat to be forward, so that I get more space to fit this car seat on the second row. But you can see with this conversion van, it still have plenty room for the passengers go across in this channel, and then I don't have to sacrifice my front passenger row space at the front. So plus, this conversion van comes with ultra high sports roof, which can give you 60% more headroom space than the minivan. So we have 2 kids. This is a great feature for us, because a lot of times we need to come to this area to take care of our kids. So for example, when they need to change a diaper, or they need a snack, or they drop their toys, you need to come to this area to take care of the kids. So my height is 5'10". So when I stand up, I don't have to bend a lot in this area. I can feel free to walk around. So this has a lot of room and space for us to do a lot of things here. But with the minivan, usually the second row and the third row are usually fully packed. So it will be more difficult to do that for the minivan. So even with the third row seat up, this is a huge space that you can easily fit 4 check-in suitcases plus backpacks and many other luggages in this space. So now I'm going to show you when I make the third row flat, it can give you more cargo space. So as you can see, when the third seat row is completely flat, there's much more cargo space. You can easily fit the kids' stroller, wagons, camping stuff, buy grocery shoppings, or even when you have a home improvement project, you can fit a lot of parts and tools in this cargo space. Okay, so reason number 2. This is a very family-friendly vehicle for daily usage or recreational trips. So, like what I mentioned before, this is ultra-wide legroom space that can easily unload, uploading kids of all age. This is an ultra-soft leather seat. When you first time see this, what are you thinking? This is a private jet on 4 wheels? Yeah, it's very comfortable. It's very nice. And each window comes with its own blinds. So for the shade or provide your own privacy. And the whole body window give you a great view outside. Normally this is a 7-seat conversion van, but you can put the third row down like what I'm showing now, make it a flat like a bed. So this can be converted to a full-size bed for camping or road trips. In the back of the van, it has so many power cords and electrical outlets so that during your ride and trips, it can make your trips and the ride more productive. These 2 seats on the second row can also rotate it back or rotate it faceward to the passenger door. So there are so many configurations these seats can do to make it more family friendly. So if these 2 can rotate it back to face to me as well. So some people may put a small dining table here. Okay, so this van also comes with a very amazing stereo entertainment system. So there are 2 speakers in the back and 2 speakers up front, and then it has a huge 29-inch HD TV. Compared to the Honda Odyssey minivan, it only had a 10.2-inch screen. Number 3, it gives you a whole lot better driving experience. So this seat is elevated. It's about 45-inch above the ground. I love this position because when you sit high, when you drive, you can see a much better view. Let's go with me. Let's have a ride. All right, let's buckle up first. Safety first. This conversion van comes with a 6.0 liter V8 Vortex engine. This is a very strong, powerful engine. It has a towing capacity up to 10,000 pounds versus the minivans we had, it was only up to 3,500 feet, 3,500 pounds. So see, we have a bump here. Handle it very well, so it has a great suspension system. You will have a very steady ride. So when I drive this van, I really think this leather seat is very comfortable. I want to say it again because it's just very comfortable. Nothing like other full-size SUVs or minivans. Especially also come with this armrest. It's just make when you drive, it's really comfortable. Next, I want to show how easy this van parks into a regular parking spot so that we can drive this van on a regular daily basis and easy to get around in town. Also, as you can see, parking becomes much easier with the built-in rear parking assist system. Okay, so that's all about the video today. Please let me know whether you like this video or not. Please leave me a comment, click like, and subscribe my channel. I'll keep posting more interesting topics in the future. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.